Hi, it's Hamid, and I'm going to show you how to run our project quickly as a demo that gives you some idea about what we have done and how you can run our project in an easy way. So here is the page for our project in the Hyperledger Foundation, and this page is the GitHub repository that contains mainly some documentation about our project, but the source code of the project are on different repositories. Uh, so I will quickly show you how to run it without going through the documentation. All you need to do is installing Docker and using a OS that supports bash scripts. Okay. After that, you need to clone these repositories, this Fed chain code, this Fed gateway, and this Fed core FL. And here you see that I've already done it, and I'm going to run the project. So first of all, we need to bring up the network and deploy our chain code. All of these happen by using a start.sh script inside the dist-fed chain code directory. I will run this code and it will take around 1 minute, and after that we are ready to go to the next step. Okay, so it took around 1 minute, and now you see that it is executed successfully. So we are done with this part. We don't need to be in this directory, this fetching code anymore. Just to show you what happened after executing this uh, script, you can see that a couple of different Docker containers are deployed. And in summary, we have two peers, two CAs, and yeah, that's it. Okay. Uh, Now we should deploy the gateway. Again, in this repository, there is a script, a start.sh script. So all you need to do is again just running this script, and you see that it happens very quickly. But just to make sure these containers are ready to use, I will check like one of the containers using netcat command to make sure it is ready. These are like basically web servers, so we are trying to connect to these containers. Okay, great. So you see that it is up and running. Okay, now I will go to the dist-fed core FL directory, and again I just need to run start-all.sh scripts and press enter. So what happens in here is that a different kind of entities like clients, aggregator, lead aggregator, and all this stuff starts working, and you can see the details of this process in this uh, output. So for example, we are creating a machine learning model, and we are defining to use uh, 4 clients for training process, and we are telling it to train it for 10 rounds. Okay, so in here you can see some stuff are happening, and at the end of each training round, you can see the accuracy of the trained model. And this process continues for 10 training rounds. And here, I'm going to pause the video because it takes maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. When the process finishes, I will start again. Okay, so you see that training is almost over. The current round is 7, and we are supposed to train for 10 rounds. So we are on round 8. Also, you can see the accuracy and time. So these data can be used as statistics. Okay, round 9. And finally, so we see that training is finished. And also we can see the accuracy of the trained model for each training round. And also we can see the timestamps for each training round to measure how much the whole process or each training round takes. And that's it. This is the whole demo of our project. Hopefully it can be useful for starting to use our project. Just to give you some idea about the developments and how you can develop our project, you mainly need to use Python and TensorFlow to define your machine learning models. All the stuff related to the blockchain or other things are handled automatically. You don't need to be worried about them. So only you should be careful and consider how you want to define your model, number of clients, and that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.